welcome to Ezra channel. I'm Stephanie. So today we are going to talk about title. Well, so usually when we call a person, like for male, we usually call sir, right? Or for female, we usually call her like Miss blah blah, right? And for the lady who's got married already, we talk like lady. Well, in China, I want to teach you guys more like our thing, like usually what kind of nicknames we talk to each other. There's a guy in front of you, you want to say hi to him, you can say 帅哥. We usually call the male handsome guy. And we usually call the lady, no matter young and old, we usually call her like beautiful. So it's not about the culture and like traditional title for each other, but it's more like a trend. You can use the trends. It's like a fashion title. Like whenever you want to sell something, you will say, "Hey, beautiful, what would you like?" Or "Hey, handsome, what would you like?" So it's like a new trend here. We won't call the guy sir. We won't call the lady miss. We usually just use handsome and beautiful. Well, how to say it in Chinese? For handsome guy, boy, and just like handsome male, we usually call them 帅哥. 帅哥. That means handsome means 帅, and 哥 means brother, like handsome brother. Maybe handsome younger brother or handsome older brother. Whatever, just it's like the total name, you know. So when you want to call a male here, you can just say, "Hey, 帅哥. Hello, 帅哥." Something like that. It's more like a compliment. Well, as my consider like that, it's a compliment maybe. Or if someone would like to let you do him or her a favor, they probably will call you like that way. Well, for a lady, we usually call beautiful lady or beautiful girl. We say it's 美女, 美女. And 美 means beautiful. 女 means female. So we combine them together, it's called beautiful female. For boy and male, we call 帅哥. For female girls, we call 美女. Okay, read it after me and to review all the knowledge today. So for 帅哥, read it for 3 times with me. Let's go. 帅哥, 帅哥, 帅哥. Okay, and for young ladies, let's go for 3 times. 美女, 美女, 美女. Okay, so that's for the title. Nowadays, if you want to ask for something with strangers and or you want to just say hi to strangers, it's the quickest way to close each other. And how about for older people? And how about for younger person, right? Like a kid, we won't call them like a 帅哥美女, something like that. We won't call it. So for elders, we usually call female 奶奶, 奶奶. And for elders, the male, we call it 爷爷, 爷爷. The total name, but usually we call it like a older grandma, older grandpa, something like that, because it's not your real grandmother and grandfather, right? So we add elder in front of the title. So we call it 老奶奶, 老爷爷. Alright? Okay, read it after me. For older grandmother, we call it 老奶奶, 老奶奶. And for older grandfather, we call it 老爷爷, 老爷爷. Alright, and how about for kid? For kids, we usually call just like little kid. In Chinese, little means 小, small, 小. And kid we usually call it like little friends. And little means the size is very small, right? Because they are kids. They're not as tall as us. I call them very small friend. So we call it little friend. Our little friend, because the size was very small. So for little, we call it 小. And for friend, we call it 朋友. Okay, combine them together, we call younger kids like 小朋友. Alright? Okay, let's review today's content together. We learned ladies, males, and females, right? We usually call them like 帅哥,美女. And for elders, older grandma, older grandpa, we call them 老奶奶,老爷爷, right? And for kids, we treat them like little friends, so we call them 小朋友. Alright, so that's today's content. If you like it, please give a thumb up for this channel and this video. If you want to learn more Chinese, please subscribe our SY channel for learning more Chinese in the future. Well, see you in next video. Bye!